In my previous video, I went ahead and graphed two ellipses that were going to be the eyes for my Garfield, but notice that I actually don't want the full ellipse. In my rough draft, I have a line down the center there, and then I just want to graph like the right side of an ellipse or the left side of an ellipse for either eyeball. So I'm going to go back to my graph, and you can actually use Desmos to help you. So if I hover over this point right here, the ordered pair is 1.25, 3.122. So I want a vertical line connecting those 2 points. So that would be like the middle of the eyes. So that equation of a vertical line would be x equals 1.25. And I'm going to go to the settings here. I'm going to change that to black so that it mixes in with the other graphs. And I don't want my line to extend past the eyes, so notice that the y-coordinate was 3.122 on the top and negative 3.122 on the bottom. So I can just put a space behind here, get my curly bracket, and say negative 3.122 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 3.122. So now my line only shows up in between those 2 points. And then I can use the same kind of method for my ellipses. So like if I click on this ellipse right here, I only want it to show up to the right of that vertical line. So for all x's that are greater than that x coordinate. So I'm going to do a space, curly bracket, x greater than 1.25. So now I've got that piece of, or his right eye done. To do the left eye, then I want this portion of the ellipse that's on the left of that vertical line. So for all x's that are less than 1.25. And so here I can take a graph and only graph a portion of the graph by using the curly brackets and some limitation to domains, which are x's, or range, which are y's. And you can also limit both if you need to.